guys. Well, today I'm gonna go explore a little bit. I know it's a little rainy, but I want to go loop through and see what the rally cars did to the roads out here. See if I can't find some mud, some puddles. Yeah, test out my new camera stuff. I want to fly the drone, but it's a little too rainy, I think, for that. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy. Might see if I can find the elk today too. That'd be really cool. did that little loop around, messed with some camera angles, see if any of it's worth anything. So if you like this kind of thing, make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know down below which one of those camera angles look the best. 'Cause I mean, I'm still learning, trying to figure out how to do this. I want to try to start documenting my adventures. I mean, that was fun. Probably seen at least 40 deer while we're out there, so that was good times. Everything seemed to do as it should. Yeah. Everything's still there. Still got the rear axle. So, yeah. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Any suggestions, opinions, ideas, comment down below. Thank you guys.